Okay, congratulations. You have finished your playground assembly. So you have your file here. You might be spinning it around going, man, look at this sweet hard work that I've gotten done. It looks really sharp. What I suggest is that you put the playground in a view that you can see everything, that it makes it look pretty sharp. And then what we will do is save it as a file so that I can see it right away in your Google Classroom. To do this, you're going to go up to File, Export, and Export Image. You will then export it as your final playground final assembly. And we want this saved as a JPEG right here, JPEG file, .jpg. You're going to click on Save. Then you'll go to your Google Classroom. And what you'll need to do, you'll be in your Google Classroom, and then you'll come into here and you'll see the little Add To, and you'll go click on this. You'll select File from your computer. You'll then go to your pictures possibly, or mine I have saved in a file on my in my desktop, and I look for Playground Final Assembly. There it is. So I can pick one of those, and then I would hit open, and then I would upload. Okay, I don't need to upload because this is your file, but you would hit turn in, and that would be how you turn this in. Do not delete your files. I will probably be checking them on your computer just to see how you did on making all of your files there. Good luck, guys.